welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Wendalyn Lynette. Welcome to the channel, and today we are doing the part 2 of the kitchen renovation. Y'all, it is finally over and I am so happy. So now we can get to the content. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Thank y'all for watching.
That I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin?
The floating shelves are in, and if you can see, it's a different white from the cabinets. So I was thinking to find some white paint that'll match the cabinets, but then, and then I can paint it myself. But then I'm looking like, okay, the shelves really blend with the wall. It looks like the same color as the wall to me. So is it worth painting or just leave it like this? I mean, I don't know. I'll see once everything is done if I like it. If not, I could always go back and paint it. But let me know what y'all think. Should I paint it, try to find a bright white like this to paint the shelving, or leave it as is, because it kind of really blends well with the marshmallow. This is what that is called, marshmallow. So let me know. So now I'm going to deep clean my stove, microwave, and refrigerator. And next I will be putting things into the cabinet. I'm going to start back piece by piece, putting what I can in the cabinets. Of course, I'm not going to put anything like in the top cabinets because, or drawers, because they're still exposed. But I am going to start putting like my pots in here, like different appliances are gonna go in there. Yeah, just to kind of clear up the mess I have in other parts of the house. I need to really like get this thing back going. Okay, so in the meantime, while I'm waiting on them, that's the least I can do before everything else is finished. That won't be in the way, or it won't matter if the stuff is in the cabinets or drawers anyway. So also, y'all, I'm going to be lining the cabinets with these. This is what I have on hand, so I'm going to use this. It may not be enough, but I'm just going to use what I have. Excuse T.S. Madison, y'all. I'm watching her while I'm doing this, and she is crazy. But that's the pattern. It's like a marble type green and white.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you.
It's coming along. So bringing an update. So y'all, he decided to do the backsplash before the countertops because he was mostly finished with everything. He still got, you know, a couple of stuff to do, but we're waiting on the countertop guy. So instead of just having idle time, you know, he said that he was gonna go ahead and do the backsplash. Now, I know how, you know, you gotta kind of do the backsplash before the countertops, but he said he was confident that he knows what he's doing. And he left the spacing for the countertops to go so it can butt against the wall. So yeah, that's where we're at. So he's coming back on tomorrow because we still got 2 more days. Today is Wednesday. Well, if you want to consider 3 more days. Today is Wednesday. Countertop guy not gonna be here until Saturday, so he's coming back tomorrow to finish up the outlets, covers, the handles, and he's going to paint the trim work. I'm loving the trim work, y'all. He's gonna paint all that because I know y'all probably can't see how dirty. See how dirty that is, but he's gonna paint all of that white, and I'm loving it. It gives it a finished look. So yeah, y'all. And even though this wasn't a part of the kitchen, because that's been my pantry there, he's going to also put trim around that. So I'll come back to y'all when the countertops get in. The countertops are here.
Drama, 'cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Ooh, yeah, yeah, baby. No, no. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in